Alright, we're at Cook Towers, I believe this is called, in Libertyville. These were either US originally or some generic company. Actually, no, that's not. I'm not sure. Modded by Lakeland. Weird layout here. It's just, such a giant elevator lobby. It almost looks like a Gen 2 access switch. Oh, it's US green here. Hard to tell. US screen down there. Actually, it might be US. It does have that US door frame. Kind of. Huh. I'll have to check records, but this may have been US. Oh, stopping on 4. It's a different project.
Okay.
Have a good one. Anyway, that will be it.